This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. With the Rolex market experiencing uncertainty and undergoing changes, it is essential for buyers, sellers, and collectors to carefully navigate the current situation. The fluctuations in demand, supply, and prices may present both opportunities and challenges for those involved in the luxury watch market. As the landscape evolves, it is crucial to approach any transactions or investments with a cautious and informed mindset. Given the volatile nature of the Rolex market, and the fact that specific models from the Daytona and GMT master lines are currently demanding a premium, this video brought to you by the luxury world will focus on predicting which models might eventually return to their original retail pricing in the future. Additionally, we will explore the market trends for other luxury watch brands, including Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet, and Vacheron Constantin, to gain insights into their potential trajectories. By closely examining these brands and their respective models, we aim to provide valuable insights into the ever-evolving luxury watch market and help buyers and collectors make informed decisions. As the industry continues to shift, understanding the dynamics and potential future pricing trends will be crucial for anyone involved in the luxury watch market. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we highly recommend doing so now to stay informed about our future video releases. In recent weeks, we came across reports on the secondary watch market, which contained fascinating pricing statistics. This got us contemplating the market's potential direction in the upcoming quarters. The fact that major financial companies now conduct market research reports on pre-owned watches still astounds us, indicating how much the watch market has evolved over the past decades. In the past few years, there has been a significant surge in demand for Rolex watches, reaching a level where the demand genuinely surpasses the supply for most Rolex models. This imbalance between demand and supply has created an interesting dynamic within the market, making Rolex watches highly sought after and often commanding premium prices in the secondary market. Currently, authorized Rolex jewelers or ORJs face a situation where they have no products readily available in display cases for immediate purchase. Moreover, they may not even entertain customers who do not have an established relationship with them. Comparing the present scenario to 5 years ago, a typical ORJ would have around 150 to 200 watches on display, and customers could walk in, make a purchase, and even negotiate the price. The shift in availability and purchasing process highlights the changes in the Rolex market and the evolving dynamics of customer interactions with authorized retailers. In the past, specific Rolex models, such as the stainless steel Daytona, have consistently been traded at prices higher than their retail value. The price difference, commonly referred to as the premium, has shown a remarkable increase over the past 15 to 20 years. Earlier, the Daytona was the only model that traded above retail, with a premium of a few $1,000s. According to reports, there are currently 123 Rolex models in production that actively trade on the secondary market at prices above their retail value, with an average premium of 23.7%. This percentage is quite significant, highlighting the notable demand for these watches. Although the number of models trading at this premium has decreased compared to January, when 145 models were trading at over 30% above retail, the current figures still indicate a considerable premium on many Rolex watches in the secondary market. The number of units selling at a premium is still remarkably high. While it may be considered healthy to see a few pieces selling over retail, the current quantity appears excessive. We anticipate that we will witness a decline in the number of watches with significant price spreads in the future. Certain Rolex models, such as the stainless steel and precious metal Daytona variants, are genuinely rare and warrant a premium due to their scarcity. Additionally, models like the Batgirl, Sprite, and Pepsi versions are also in short supply, justifying their higher prices in the secondary market. However, not every Rolex watch should necessarily be sold at a premium above its retail price. For instance, the stainless steel Black Submariner is incredibly popular and produced in sufficient quantities, which leads us to believe that it should not command a premium above its retail value. Previously, precious metal watches, especially day-dates and white metals, were typically sold well below their retail price in the secondary market. However, the situation has changed, and we now see date-just models selling above their retail value. While rarity warrants a premium, and certain Rolex novelties deserve it for being unique and desirable, the current frenzy has gone too far. Looking ahead, we believe that within the next 12 to 18 months, current production models that are neither rare nor collectible will return to and even fall below their retail prices in the secondary market. Paying over retail for a 40mm day-date in yellow gold with a plain dial seems illogical, as even cool dial Datejust models are common, and we expect their prices to normalize. As the market adjusts, we can predict that in 18 to 24 months, a stainless steel Submariner date should return to trading remarkably close to its retail price. This is not necessarily a negative development. Rather, with fewer flippers, true collectors and enthusiasts will have the opportunity to purchase watches they genuinely want to wear, rather than engaging in quick profit flipping. Certain individuals have been asserting that the era of watches selling above retail is over, but many people will disagree with this notion. If you expect highly sought-after models like stainless steel Daytonas, GMTs, and the Audi Celebration to be available at retail prices anytime soon, you will face a considerable waiting period. As for Patek Philippe, while some models like Nautilus and Aquanaut, along with certain new releases, trade above retail, most of the collection remains below retail in the secondary market. Though Nautilus and Aquanaut pieces have decreased in price over the past year, they have stabilized and are actively trading at their current levels. When it comes to complications, Chronos, and Perpetuals, while they did not experience the same rapid surge in value as sports references, they have seen a correction. We believe that over the next 12 to 18 months, their prices will rise once again. Let us now turn our attention to Audemars Piguet's pricing. Audemars Piguet or AP price have seen a faster and more aggressive rise than almost any other watch brand. Much of this growth was driven by speculators and dealers in the Asian market. In the first quarter of 2022, AP prices experienced weekly increases, with Royal Oak Perpetual and other complications doubling in price within a fleeting period. While the fallback has been slower, it has still been quite significant. Many of the basic Royal Oak models have now returned to slightly above their retail price and are certainly well below their value 6 months ago. Over the past 6 to 8 weeks, there has been a notable surge in activity in selling AP watches, indicating that the market might have found its appropriate pricing level. However, this increase in selling activity is primarily due to the substantial losses that many dealers and collectors incurred on AP timepiece. While we do not anticipate prices to rebound anytime soon, we expect them to stabilize at the current level. The Audemars Piguet market has gone through significant fluctuations, and it may take time for the prices to find a more balanced and steady position. Vacheron Constantin experienced a rapid surge in prices on certain models, and it was swept up in the wave of price spikes. However, it has now swiftly returned to being a brand with prices more aligned with retail values. The lessons learned from the past year are evident. Not every watch or brand deserves to be traded above retail. When too many people start chasing after the same models, prices will inevitably rise. While the hottest pieces from big brands may require a premium to acquire, it is essential to focus on finding a watch that you genuinely love from a reputable maker. Enjoy wearing it, sharing it with fellow collectors, and consider holding it for the long term, as certain watches may appreciate over time. The watch market is currently thriving, but like any other market, speculation can lead to both successes and setbacks. Being mindful of trends and making informed decisions can contribute to a more enjoyable and successful watch collecting experience. What are your thoughts on the watch market wrap we shared in this video? Please share your comments and opinions in the comments section below. If you found the video enjoyable, we would appreciate hearing your feedback in the comments and your support by following us and giving us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching Luxury World, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming videos.